Join me as I take on the challenge of making the ultimate detox smoothie that will flush out toxins and give me a serious energy boost. So, have you ever felt like you're stuck in a rut, lacking the energy to tackle your day? Maybe you've noticed your skin breaking out, or your digestive system feeling sluggish. It's no secret that our modern lifestyle can lead to toxin buildup in our bodies, causing fatigue, brain fog, and a general feeling of being stuck. This is exactly why detoxing and boosting our energy levels is so crucial for our overall health and well-being. When our bodies are overwhelmed by toxins, it can affect our entire system. We might feel tired, sluggish, and lacking in focus. Our skin can break out, our digestive system can slow down, and even our mood can take a hit. It's like our bodies are crying out for a reset, a cleanse from the inside out. And trust me, I've been there too. There have been times when I felt like I'm running on empty, like I need a total reboot. But the good news is that there are simple and effective ways to flush out these toxins and boost our energy levels. And today, I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite recipes for a detox smoothie that will do just that. This smoothie is packed with nutrient-dense ingredients that will work together to cleanse your body, energize your cells, and leave you feeling revitalized and refreshed. So, let's dive into the ingredients that make up this amazing smoothie. We've got spinach, which is rich in antioxidants and chlorophyll, helping to alkalize our bodies and remove toxins. Then there's banana, which provides a natural boost of energy and supports healthy digestion. We've also got some freshly squeezed lemon juice, which stimulates digestion and detoxification. And to top it all off, we've got a spoonful of chia seeds, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, supporting healthy gut bacteria and removing toxins. As we blend these ingredients together, you can see the vibrant green color coming to life. The aroma is fresh, earthy, and inviting. It's like a breath of fresh air in a cup. This smoothie is a game changer, a total transformation in a glass. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to make and customize to your taste. So, what can you expect from this detox smoothie? You can expect an instant energy boost, a clearer mind, and a revitalized body. You can expect your skin to glow, your digestive system to thank you, and your mood to lift. And the more you drink it, the more you'll notice the toxins leaving your body and the energy flowing in. If you're ready to give your body the reset it deserves, I encourage you to give this smoothie a try. Share your experiences with me in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other health-related videos for more tips and tricks to support your journey towards optimal health and well-being.